Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by locking down essentials so practice transfers fast. First, set DPI between 400 and 800 and tune in-game sensitivity in small 0. 5 steps until aiming feels predictable. Once done, assign edit and confirm keys where your thumbs and fingers move naturally. Make sure crouch and sprint are accessible. Then start a 10 to 15-minute warm-up. Do tracking drills, flick shots, and basic edits at low intensity to build focus. This prepares your motor memory and prevents now you push into structured blocks that force adaptation. Do 3 focused 10-minute segments, 1 for aim, tracking, and flicks, 1 for edit, speed, then accuracy, and 1 for movement plus recoil control. During edit practice, repeat sequences slowly to ingrain correct muscle paths, then progressively increase tempo. You'll own precision before speed. For movement, practice strafing and controlled peaks while firing to sync aim with positional change. Make sure to rest 3 to 5 minutes between blocks so performance stays sharp. To finish, you must bridge practice to matches. Play 3 to 5 short arena or box fights aiming to apply 1 drill at a time. For example, prioritize clean edits for the first match. After, record a game and review 10 actionable errors. Pick 1 behavior to correct next session so improvements compound. If you notice aim regressions, troubleshoot by lowering sensitivity about 10% and rebuilding confidence with slow, deliberate reps. This fixes oversensitivity and restores consistency quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.